Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this spicy caramelized teriyaki tofu. This is very unique recipe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, go and hit the subscribe button right now. That way you don't miss on upcoming videos. Let's get started. To start off here, I'm using extra firm tofu, 16 ounces. Make sure you use extra firm. That's very important. Discard any water in the tofu and then we are going to just remove the tofu and cut into half. Now I'm cutting into a rectangle shape so that it looks nice. It makes good size pieces for everyone who gets it. But if you like to make it to a small cubes, you can definitely do that. But I would definitely suggest, personally I've tried both ways, but I think this would taste much better for some reason, and also it has good texture. Now I'm going to transfer this into a paper towel in a plate, or even a flat surface, that's fine. And I'm going to place another paper towel on top and make sure we squeeze out any moist in it, any water. Just use as many paper towel you need to squeeze out any extra moist. That's very, very important. Now here I have corn flour. If you don't have corn flour, you can also use potato starch, 1 cup. Now go ahead and coat well. The tofu needs to be nicely coated. As soon as you coat them, you directly go and start frying on a high heat just for 1 minute. On a high heat, just for a minute, not more than that. And the tofu is not going to turn dark brown or deep brown. It's going to have this beautiful light color, golden color. That's all we are looking for. And transfer into a paper towel and just spread it out so that it doesn't start steaming. Now I'm going to set this aside. Here another pan, I have a wok or a pan. It has to be nice and hot before you add oil. 1 tablespoon oil. To this I'm adding 1 large ginger julienne and 3 garlic finely minced. Go ahead and saute this until this nice aroma is released, around 30 seconds. To this I'm adding 1 tablespoon butter and cook for 20 seconds until the butter and the ginger garlic is well combined and gives this beautiful aroma. 1 tablespoon rice vinegar or regular vinegar and 2 tablespoon teriyaki sauce. The teriyaki sauce is very easy. You can make it at home or you can buy from the store. If you like to see the teriyaki sauce, let me know. I will make a video for teriyaki sauce. And just cook it for 30 seconds. Now here I'm adding 1 tablespoon hot sauce, that is sambal. If you can't find sambal, just use any hot sauce. You can add as much as you prefer the heat level. Go ahead and cook until it's all well combined and the sauce thickens up. Go ahead and add the fried tofu. Now you don't want to use spatula or spoon. Go ahead and cook on a high heat. Just toss it as you cook, and we want to just let it cook until it's beautifully caramelized. You want this deep golden red color. Now go ahead and add some green onion, toss it again and let it caramelize as it is cooking. Let it caramelize. When it comes to cooking this recipe, every ingredient has to be ready in hand to go as you cook. Now I'm going to turn off the heat once it has this beautiful color and transfer into a plate. Now I'm going to garnish with some fried onions. This is optional. If you don't want to do this, you can skip it, but it is definitely going to give a beautiful taste. I'm going to also garnish with some green onion and some red Thai chili or green chili. This is such a great appetizer. It is very delicious. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.